Sabi ni Jesus sa kanyang mga disciples, the harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few. Ask the Lord of the harvest, therefore, to send out workers into the harvest field. So, stand up. Ang challenge po sa atin sa taon na ito ay maging force. We were ignited.
Lumalalim din ang pag-unawa ninyo sa inyong spiritual identity. Tama po. I think natural po yun. Natural yun, and I think that's the same even with life development stages. But look at number 2.
Lagi mo na siya, nawala pa man.
Tapos 12 naman.
Lagi mo na siya, nawala pa man.